This is Bryce from Long Range Shooters of Utah in the flippers and movers stage of the Utah Shootouts Precision Rifle Series in August.
That's 2 targets that we're firing at.
This is Bryce B.
Okay, are the shooters ready?
Ready?
Ready. Stand by.
I'm shooting the, wait. All right, I got it.
You're shooting the right board, but only between your X and this X over here, though, right?
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Don't shoot at it.
I know.
Shooters ready? Hey, Gunny. Stand by.
Damn it.
Make up for that. Shoot 2. You out?
Shit.
Pistol.
good with
man.
those head hits?
Misses.
You got carbine first.
Misses. And 2 on the carbine.
Turners.
Damn. Ross got nada, nada, and 1. Oh man. I think he got 2 and none. 2, 2, well 3. That only gets 2 points. 2, 2,
1 on number 5.
2,
0.
0 on number 4.
0.
He's getting zeros on his pistol.
2.
That one might count. That one he got.
Hold on.
That one he got. Alright, let's take a look at what I did here. Oh man, 1, 2. This is my score. 1, 2.